Electromagnet, electromagnet, electromagnet.
Electromagnet is a noun. A noun is a person, place, or thing. An electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by an electric current. Electromagnets are usually a piece of iron encircled by a coil of wire through which an electric current is passed to magnetize the iron. When the electromagnet was connected to the battery, the metal paper clip started moving closer to it.
Hi, I'm Mr. Gunderson, and I'm here to show you electromagnets. I created a large electromagnet wrapping a coil of wire, copper wire, shielded copper wire around a large nail. It looks a lot like this little nail and this copper wire. Now, boys and girls, when you put copper wire around a piece of steel and put electricity to it, you create a magnetic field, a flow of electrons, which creates an electromagnet. You've seen these types of magnets before. Ouch, they're very strong magnets. These are neodymium magnets, and they pick up all kinds of things. Now, I can create a magnet too by using electricity, and that's what we're going to do today. So, here's a bank of batteries, 2 AA batteries put together for 3 volts, 1.5 each. I put the battery on a wire to a switch and to the coil wire, and then back through to create a circuit. When I come over here, now there's a little bit of magnetism in the nail because I've done this so much, but you can see it doesn't really do a whole lot. But when I throw the switch and put power through the coil, it's going to create a magnetic field. Let's try it. There I can pick up a whole lot more because I've got the power flowing through there. Now I'll turn the switch off, see what happens. We drop some. Now some stay on the nail because this nail now is magnetized, but it doesn't have a lot of power. But when I put the power to it, I get lots of power. I get lots of magnetic power. Let's pick up some iron over here. And you can see how good that picks up. Now, this electromagnet is the same thing that's inside little electric motors. And I brought several electric motors. Here's a big old motor right here to come out of an air conditioner. Now, if you'll look at here real close, maybe you can get a close-up on that, you'll see the little blue copper wire in there. It's got blue paint on it. This is called the rotor, and it goes inside with some magnets on the inside of the stator. And this thing creates, when you put power to it or battery power, it spins it. It pushes the magnets, push the copper wire around because it's creating a field. It's exactly what happens in all these electric motors. And you can see this electric motor is going to create electromagnetic field and creates my motor. That's what electricity does for us when we wrap copper around steel. If you have any other questions, certainly come see me.